if you're thinking of getting the XIMIZU phone holder for iPhone, then here is my honest review after using this on my iPhone, which I'm filming on now, for 6 months. As you can see, it hasn't turned yellow, there's no scratches or nothing has broken. It's flexible, as you can see, and the best part of it is obviously that you have 2 card holders. So I put my credit card here, and then I put my ID in this one, which means that I never have to bring out a wallet when I go out. I have dropped my iPhone several times, and this has always protected it. The only thing I will say is that it sometimes collects a little bit of dust or sand. So once a month, I will just literally, like with my fingers, just scrape out anything, and then it's like brand new. So if you don't want to use your wallet when you go out, want to be more minimalist and also protect your phone, then I highly recommend this case.